Hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do exercise 11.2. In this the concept of area is there. How to find out the area with the help of these grids and how to calculate the area of the irregular shapes. Yes, today we will do in this video tutorial. So here we are going to start. Yes, the first sum is here. Find the area of the figures given below by counting the number of square units. What is the area? Here we have to count the internal squares given in this shape. The colored squares we have to find out, and that will be the area of this shape A. Yes, here we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the area of this shape is 12 square centimeter. Why we are writing here square? Because here you can see 12 squares are there. So the area of this shape will be 12 squares centimeter. 12 squares है यहाँ पे, and unit we will write centimeter because every square is of 1 centimeter. Here you can see it is given here. Now let's move to B shape. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. The area of this shape is 4 square. In short we can write like this: 4 square centimeter. Yes. Then area of shape C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 square centimeters. Then shape D is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Area of this shape is 16 square centimeters. Now shape E is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Area of this E shape is 16 square centimeters. Now let's move to second sum. Below are two 10-gram figures. 10-gram figures. Here you can see. Find the area of the following shapes by counting the number of squares. Yes, see here beta, you can see half squares also here. Yes, now see how to count. This half, this half. Yes, it will make 1. This is 1 because half is shaded here and half is shaded here. अगर हम दोनों को मिला दें, it will be the 1, and then again half. Yes, then 4 halves ये मिलके there will be the 2 squares. ये जो 4 halves हैं, these will be the 2 squares. Yes, then these will be the 3. 2 half हैं, it will make 1 complete 3. Yes, then here half and here again half. It will be complete 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, and here again 2 halves. It will be 9. Then 2 halves. It will be 10. जितनी हमने लिख ली है means these are the 10 squares. Yes, and here half. Yes, and 1 half is here, means 11. Then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 2 halves. Yes, then here 17, 2 times 17, 2 halves, तो complete 17 हो जाएगा. And here it is 18, 2 halves, it will be complete 18. So here we have counted the boxes. Now it is 18 square centimeters. The area of this 10-gram shape is 18 square centimeters. Yes. Now let's move to the second shape. Yes, this half and this half. It will be 1. This half and this half. Now 2 boxes. This 3. Complete box हो जाएगा 3, and 4, 5. Then this 2 complete 6. Here 7, 2 halves 7, 8, 9, this will be 10, and these two halves 11, yes, and here two halves 12, then one half here and one half is here, it will be 13, yes, then one half here and one here, it will be 14, and one half here and one here, it will be 15. Yes, 2 times. Why I am writing? Because दो half boxes मिलके one complete 15 बनाएंगे. Yes, so here 15 boxes are there, so the area of this shape will be 15 square centimeter. Yes, now let's move to next sum number 3. Estimate the area. Here we have to give the estimation, not the exact, we have to give only estimation. Area of each irregular shape as shown below. Compare your answer with those of your friends. Yes, now here see carefully beta. Here if there are the irregular shapes में हमने क्या करना होता है? We have to count the squares जो हाफ हैं या मोर देन हाफ है. जो हाफ है उसको हम हाफ ही काउंट करेंगे. लिसन केयरफुली बेटा, जो हाफ है उसको हम हाफ ही काउंट करेंगे. यस, जो हाफ से ज़्यादा है शेडेड, हेयर यू कैन सी, जैसे ये वाला बॉक्स है, ये हाफ बॉक्स से ज़्यादा शेडेड है तो इसको हम 1 कंप्लीट काउंट करेंगे. यस, हम इसको 1 कंप्लीट काउंट करेंगे इन केस ऑफ इरेगुलर शेप्स. अगर हाफ से ज़्यादा शेडेड है तो उसको हमने 1 बॉक्स ही काउंट करना है. यस, तो अगर हाफ से कम शेडेड है, हेयर यू कैन सी दिस बॉक्स इज देयर, ये बॉक्स जो है वो हाफ से भी कम शेडेड है तो इसको हम इग्नोर कर देंगे. वी विल नॉट काउंट दिस. यस, सी हाउ टू डू. लिसन टू मी केयरफुली एंड वॉच इट केयरफुली. दिस इज़ अ 1 बिकॉज हाफ हाफ है तो 1 ही बनेगा ये. दिस इज़ 2, 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This will be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes, 22, 23. This is half 24 and this is half 24 because it will make 1 complete, and this is half and this is half 25 and 25. Yes, so the area of this irregular shape is 25 square centimeters. Now let's move to second shape. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here all these are less than half, so we will not count these. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. ये हाफ से कम शेडेड हैं, so we will ignore these. हम इनको काउंट नहीं करेंगे. Yes, so the area of this shape is 24 square centimeters. Yes students, and these sums you people can do in your maths book with the help of the pencil, and I hope you have understood this concept. Now complete this exercise in your maths book. Thanks and have a beautiful day.